come back. Okay, let's put this into our front viewport. Alt X to get it into transparency mode. I'm going to zoom in now into vertices, and what I want to do is grab these vertices inside here. We'll keep it on that plane there and just pull them up so that it's in line with this front line here. Just there. Grab this one down here, select that there on the plane, bring it up. There we go with that. Alt X into perspective viewport. Let's have a look. Yep. Now into polygon. Let's deselect those. What I need to do is zoom in. We're going to make sure ignore back facing is on. Click that. Might as well do this one at the same time, and we'll delete those polygons there. Let me just click on that polygon, and then we can pivot about it. Deselect it, zoom in, select that polygon there, press Ctrl, that polygon, and delete those. Yes, it crashed again. Notwithstanding, right, let's select our border, and let's select this one here, press Ctrl, select that one, rotate around. Let's just come down, see if we can zoom in. Pressing Ctrl again, select that one and that one. Make sure that we have got nothing selected in the background. Nope, good. Pop down to our bridge tool, and let's bridge. Let's have a quick look. Move this out the way. That looks to have bridged. Yep, lovely. Okay, let's see. Fine for that. Now let's go into Edge, deselect, turn off ignore back facing. I just want to position this so that I can see this without any interference from the background. So let's select that one and pop down here. I want to do a connect. We've got 3 at the moment. Bring this back here for a moment. We'll say 2, but I want to push it right out to about there. So that's 93. Say OK. Now we can just see this one in the background, so if I start there and click that, connect again, that should be 2, 93, say OK for that one. Into our front viewport, Z for zoom, Alt X for our transparency, into vertices. Now I've got to be careful here because it's just those vertices down here, those there. W for our select to move tool. Let me just undo that because I need to select these down here as well, and I can see that there's some right down there, so we've got to be very careful here. I'm pressing Control to select these as well. No. Alt deselect. Let's put this into perspective view. I may have to select these individually. Zoom in. Just have a look. I've got 2 there. I've got those 2 there. pressing Control, those two there, position this again. How can I see those? There we go. Press Control, select those two there. Yep. Now let's bring these up. They should all move together. Beautiful, beautiful. Yep, that's got that. Lovely. Okay, Alt X again, and let's come up to root. Zoom back a little bit, round to there. Now, the concentration at this point, unbelievable. Swift loop, I just want to strengthen these sections down there a little bit. Oh, come on. One there. Come on. About there. One over here. Come on. It's just not getting it. Let's rotate around a little bit more. There. And one. Take it along that line. There. Right click to end the action. And let's see what it looks like with Turbo Smooth now. Let's hit F4 so we can have a better look. There we go. That's not too bad at all. Let's increase our iterations for the Turbo Smooth. It's at 1. Let's set that to 2. Fine. That's looking very good. I'm happy with that. In fact, I'm so happy with it, I think we'll collapse it. Convert to editable poly. Say yes. Now, let's have a look. What I want to do is create a box. So let's pop into our front view, go zoom, Alt X, into our create panel, box. We'll get an approximation here to start with. Let's just push that back, click to left click to end that action. Length segments, keep those all to 1. Let's go to our left. No, what we'll do is hit E for our rotate tool. Let's rotate this about the axis there. Right. Now we can go into our left viewport, go Z for zoom, Alt X so we can see through that one. Let's just pull back a little bit. There we go. That's right. Move that over. Zooming in. Now, what I have to do here is, we've got the box. Now, we can see the deformations down here, which have, well, it's where our divisions are. So I need to line that up so it's right in the middle there. Let's convert this to an editable poly. Into there, vertices, select all these vertices here, and let's pull them across. Now there's the other division, so I'm just going to pull that to there, so it's in the middle more or less. Great. Alt X, give it our steel grey. Let's now put it into perspective viewport. Let's rotate around a little bit. That's fine. Polygon. Now what I'm going to do is select those there. Ignore back facing is off. It's selected all of them. Press delete. Deselect. Up to root, sorry. Deselect. Let's select this. Alt X. Let's have a look. Now this here, or these here which are filling in, they're going to have a material applied which will look like a mesh. So, but it's in the right place there. Great. Okay, up to our layers manager, into our front wing. Let's unhide the wing. Let's just pop around for a moment. Yep. And check these corners here. Yeah, I can see up there. Okay. Deselect. Let's select those there. Bring them up a little bit, just so they're not poking through there. Let's take our scale tool, just scale them in a fraction, move them across. There, it's not popping through there. What about this side? Good. Vertices. I'm going to select these vertices all the way through to there. Take them down into there. Just check all the way around again. That's just the bounding box there showing through. Okay. Up to root. Select this. I'm going to go attach, and I want this box attaching. There we are. W for our select and move tool. I want to bring this up into this wing. Let's pull it back because it needs to go over there. Good look around. That is looking quite good. It's just in that section there. We can see it inside. That's not too bad though. Okay, we'll end this session now. Continue in the next one. I'll catch you later.